Yesterday, I conducted a marketing workshop for Rapide, Mecanigo, and Gulong.ph. And here are 3 key lessons that I shared with their team na pwede mong magamit kahit freelancer ka pa lang or small business owner. Number 1 is master the basics. You don't need complicated strategies. Hindi mo kailangan ng 17-step funnel with a flying unicorn landing page. Alam mo ang kailangan mo? Malinaw na sagot sa 3 tanong. Sino ang customer mo? Ano ang problema niya? At paano mo siya matutulungan? Kung hindi mo pa ma-explain to in 1 sentence, pause ka muna saglit and balikan mo yung core ng business mo. Number 2, content is still king. Kahit nag-ads ka na, kailangan consistent pa din yung organic content mo. Kasi your ads will perform better kapag meron ka social proof, engagement, at presence. Yung puro ads ka lang, tapos dead yung page mo, you're missing out on a lot of reach. And finally, use AI for solutions and not just aesthetics. Yes, AI is powerful. Pero instead of using it para gumawa ng Studio Ghibli version ng sarili mo or cake slicing effect na wala namang binibigay na value sa customers mo, use it to create solutions for your audience. Content ideas, offers, products, and even tools na makakatulong sa kanila. Ang tunay na AI flex, hindi yung pang-viral lang, but yung nagbibigay ng value sa audience mo. So if you're stuck, overwhelmed, or feeling lost, balikan mo lang tong 3 to. Master the basics, create content that connects, use technology to serve, not just to impress.